This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to use a somatic stretch for the pelvic floor. This helps with low back and hip pain, as well as pelvic floor dysfunction. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? Not gonna lie, I'm not sure what this move is called. It has helped me with my pelvic floor dysfunction though, which is why I'm going to show you how to do it too. You need a firm surface like a yoga mat on the floor. Lay on your back with your knees bent and the soles of your feet on the floor. You're going to lift your right leg and place it across your left leg like one side of crisscross applesauce. Now the tricky part. Rotate from the waist so that the right sole of your foot is now on the floor. Your hips and lower back are rotated, but make sure to leave your head and shoulders on the mat. Hold for 30 seconds, then return to neutral. Repeat 2 more times and do it for the other side. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.